This will just be quick. Mamaya na lang po siguro, Mr. Chair, sa second round of questioning, I have to further discuss regarding this right-of-way issue. Pero mapunta lang po tayo. Meron po kaming natalisod na tulay dito po sa may Quinta, sa may Quiapo. It's called the Pasig Esplanade Bridge, footbridge. Ako po lagi nagsisimba sa Quiapo. Ito po laging binubulong sa akin, nirereklamo ng mga nagsisimba sa Quiapo. Hindi ho matapos-tapos. 2019 pa raw ho ito ginawa. Hanggang ngayon, halos nangangalahati pa lang. It's called the Pasig Esplanade Footbridge. Ano ho ba ang problema rito? Is it kulang po ang pondo? Sinasabi naman, overpriced na nga daw po eh. Mas mahal pa ito dun sa ininaugurate ng dating Pangulo na Binondo Intramuros Bridge. Ito, walkway lang po ito para sa mga tao na parang 2 lanes lang na kalsada papunta doon sa kabila from Quinta Market going po doon sa may LRT, sa may ferry station sa kabila sa Loton. Pero hindi na po matapos-tapos. Ano raw po ba ang dahilan? Bakit hindi po matapos-tapos itong tulay na ito? Hanggang ngayon, kalahati pa lang 6 years na, 2019, 2021, 6 years na po hindi pa rin matapos-tapos. Ano pong explanation dito, sir?
Mr. Chair, if I may be allowed, from what I remember.
Yeah,
Yeah.
tama. Kayo po yung RD po ng
Yeah.
NCR dati, no? Director
Yes.
ka ayusin ka last. Go
Yes,
ahead.
sir. Sir, this project was actually started sometime in 2017. Ano po yun eh? It's a interagency project. DBM being the lead agency. And the agencies concerned are DBM, DNR, Pasig Rehab, DPWH, MMDA, and LGUs. The project was actually conceptualized in 2017. It was bid out and started in 2018. And one of the components of that project is the bridge that you were referring to, Mr. Chair. And it was supposed to be a composition of several components. But the bridge component was started in 2018, but because of some issues then where there is a geotechnical study made which showed failure in the original alignment. So when that was addressed and a different alignment was followed, the phase 1 of the project started, and the phase 1 was actually completed. The components of the phase 1 are, if I remember correctly, are the construction of the piers, no, and that is the phase 1 which I continued during that time. But phase 2 and phase 3, there was a challenge regarding the alignment where we were given an authority to enter the LRTA compound through the late General Beroya. But I believe LRTA has a contract with the ano ba yun? Park, I just forgot the name of the establishment. And this was suspended because they had that case filed by that establishment against the DPWH. So again, the phases 2 and 3 were suspended until now. That's why I believe the NCR, which is now implementing this project, has terminated the project implementation, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, mamaya na lang po siguro dahil magpe-present pa yung dalawang agencies pa pero I'm not satisfied with that answer po. You guys, gagawa po kayo ng tulay, tapos sinasabi nyo may problema sa planning. Di po ba dapat pag gumawa po ng isang tulay, ang DPW sa sigurado, di po ba? I mean, tapos sasabihin mo may adjustment. How can you adjust kung gumagawa na po kayo? Dapat doon pa lang po sa planning, nakaplano na po, di ba? Gaano kalalim, ano mga materyales, may tatamaan ba tayo doon sa kabila? This is what I was saying, right of way. Kumukontra ngayon yung LRTA, di ba? Sinasabi nila, hindi raw po pwede. Sinasabi niyo yung ganun, yung ferry station sa Loton. Sana lahat po na ito, naisip na ho natin bago tayo gumawa ng tulay o kalsada, di po ba? Anong mangyayari? Gagawa tayo ng tulay papunta ron. Kontra pala si ganun. Ibig sabihin, pag natayo na natin, tsaka pa lang natin problemahin kung ano sasabihin noon. I don't buy that. It doesn't work like that. Kaya tayo tumatagal ang proyekto ng gobyerno because of these incidents. Planuhin ho natin, kasama na lahat, di ba? Yung may magrereklamo ba? May maniningil ba sa atin doon yung right of way? Baka masyadong mahal. Dapat kinocompute na rin po natin yung cost ng project. Oy, si Mr. X na may-ari ng lupa doon, gusto niya ganito kamahal. Pwede ba ito? So we have to do all this, di po ba? Kasi ngayon, naantala, kagaya niyan, antala. Yung sinasabi mong LRTA, kung sino man yung patay na, kasama na si Jose Cristo ngayon, paano pa natin makakausap yun? All these things po itong problema kaya yung mga kababayan po natin, malungkot po sila, hindi sila natutuwa sa trabaho natin sa gobyerno because of all this, di po ba? But anyway, Mr. Chair, I'm sorry. Let's proceed with the OTR presentation po. I'll just ask this question later.
Yes, thank you very much.